In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an account in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can add another account quickly and confidently. Start by opening ChatGPT and focusing on the bottom left corner of the screen. This is where your profile area lives. You should see a small profile picture or an icon that represents your account. If you're on a device where profile images are small, take a second to hover your mouse or tap to make sure you're looking at the correct spot. Next, click your profile picture in that bottom left corner. This action opens a compact menu with a few options related to your account. Don't rush past it. Give the menu a moment to appear so you can see everything clearly. Now, in that small menu, click your profile picture again. It might feel a bit repetitive, but this second click is what reveals the account-related options you need. Think of it as stepping one level deeper into your account controls. Once you've clicked the profile picture in the menu, look for the option labeled Add Account. It's usually easy to spot. Go ahead and click Add Account. This tells ChatGPT that you want to connect another login, whether it's for work, personal use, or just to keep things organized. After you click Add Account, you'll be prompted to sign in. You'll see different sign-in methods you can choose from. Simply pick the method that matches how you typically log in, use the provider or approach you trust and prefer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the sign-in. Keep your credentials private and make sure you're on the official ChatGPT interface before entering any information. When the sign-in completes, the additional account will be linked. That's the full process. Bottom left profile area, click your profile picture, click it again in the small menu, choose Add Account, and then sign in using the method you prefer. If at any point a screen takes a moment to load, give it a second. Sometimes menus need a brief refresh before they show new options. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't immediately see Add Account, gently close and reopen the small profile menu and look again. If you use multiple browsers or devices, the menu location is still the bottom left profile area, so the flow remains the same. And remember, adding an account is about convenience and separation of use cases, so only link accounts you actively need. That's it. Simple, clear, and done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined setup in ChatGPT.